Will AI replace the digital agency as we know it? Will it replace people's jobs? Is the question I get all day long. Hey, I'm Jason Swank. I've been in the agency industry for over 20 years, started and sold very successful digital agencies for over 12 years, and now I'm a part owner of one of the fastest growing agencies in North America. And people are always asking me, hey, Jason, what do you think about AI? Well, AI can be scary to some, but it also can be one of the most amazing things for you. The people that get paid the biggest bucks and get paid the most are the ones that solve the biggest problems the fastest. And AI gives us the ability to do that. The problem is in the industry, especially the bigger guys always take a lot longer to embrace innovation and change because they have more to lose. And so if you look at history, all the small guys that don't have much to lose, that embrace innovation and change, they're the ones that overtake the big guys. Case in point, Blockbuster and Netflix. Blockbuster was the big guy. Netflix was the innovation, the change. And Blockbuster had the opportunity to buy Netflix and thought it was a bad idea. And well, we know who's around now. The same thing goes with AI and innovation now. The bigger guys are not embracing it. They're more fearful of, well, no, we don't want it to replace people's jobs. So there's two things I want you to do to get a catapult and to jump the bigger guys and have an amazing next decade in your agency to grow and to scale faster than anybody else. First thing is I want you to identify every area that is going to disrupt you and your agency. AI is not going to replace you or your job, but people that do AI will replace you if you do not. Meaning, the people that get paid the most, the big bucks that everybody wants so we can afford these amazing people so we have more freedom in our agency, the people that get paid the most are the ones that solve the biggest problems, the fastest, the more efficient. And that's what AI allows us to do. We're able to be more efficient. Think about, I was watching, like if you're an SEO agency, I was watching someone the other day that wrote an article that ranked super high. Now you're thinking, oh no, don't go to ChatGPT and have AI write. I'm not saying to do that. They did it in a creative way. And I think the people that are going to win are the ones that are the best prompt engineers. So I watched this person optimize an article that ranked super high in literally 3 minutes. What they did is they went to ChatGPT and said, ChatGPT, I want you to write an article for the best face cream in 2023. Do you understand? And then they proceeded to input more about the brand that they were writing for and saying, I want you to know this is what we believe our brand stands for. Do you understand? Then it had it write a script linking all the backlinks to the article. And then it basically went through a number of different other prompts and wrote the whole article. There's AI tools that create websites. There's AI tools that can literally change my voice or the words that I'm saying after I say them. So AI is here. You can either fear it or embrace it and really take it by the horn. So this comes to the second part that I want you to do so you can dominate this and really get ahead of everyone else. So the first one is really, where is it going to disrupt you? Second is identify all the AI tools that can make you more efficient. And I want you to master them. Don't just play with them. I want you to use them. My team is diving into it just like I am. We're not just playing with it. We're literally going, how can we master these tools? Another great example, I did a case story video of an agency mastery member that was having great success. We did this video about a month ago and never had time to write the description and the title. Basically ran it through an AI tool to give us the best description. the best title tag to rank for what we want. It's going to make us more efficient. So it's not going to replace you, but people that use AI will replace you if you don't. So are you going to be the one that embraces it, that jumps forward and really gets ahead of everyone else and takes advantage of this opportunity right now? This is the biggest innovation that we've ever had in our lifetime is AI. It will help you solve the biggest problem more efficient. And that's where you're going to get paid the big bucks. So I'd love to hear your comments on AI. Have you embraced it? Are you playing it with it? Do you fear it? I hope you do those two things. And until next time, have a swank day.